Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be learning about the Finder 80.91 Modular Timer. This compact and reliable timer relay is widely used in automation systems, industrial machines, and control panels. This timer includes two timers with a single output, supporting both on-delay and off-delay functions. We'll go through its timescales, wiring diagram, functions, working conditions, and applications. So stay tuned till the end. The Finder 80.91 offers a wide range of timescales, making it flexible for different applications. It typically provides adjustable ranges from 0.1 seconds up to 24 hours. The time is set using a rotary selector, and fine adjustments can be made with the knob on the front panel. This allows precise control over timing functions such as delay, interval, and cyclic operation. Now, let's look at the wiring diagram and functions. The Finder 80.91 is an SPDT relay output timer with terminals for power supply, input control, and output contacts. This timer includes two timers with a single output, supporting both on-delay and off-delay functions. By following the wiring diagram on the side of the unit, you can easily integrate this timer into your circuit. So where can we use the Finder 80.91 Modular Timer? Here are some common applications. Automation systems. To control sequence timing. Conveyor belts. To delay or cycle motor operations. Pumps and fans. For timed operation. Lighting control. Automatic on-off timing. Heating systems. Managing warm-up and cool-down cycles. Its flexibility makes it a popular choice for both industrial and commercial uses. To summarize, the Finder 80.91 Modular Timer is a versatile, reliable, and easy-to-use timer relay. With multiple timescales, wiring options, and functions, it's an excellent choice for many automation projects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on industrial automation and electronic devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.